Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through replacing an outlet or a light switch. Not the full book, just the teaser version. This is the most common home electrical job there is, and it's also the one homeowners DIY without knowing quite enough to be safe. Let's fix that. Here's the scene. You plug the toaster in and nothing happens. Or the outlet behind the couch is warm to the touch and a little brown around the slots. Or a switch clicks but the light doesn't respond. Or it arcs when you flip it. 120 volts inside a residential wall will kill you if it takes the wrong path through your body. The good news, it's easy to make it non-lethal. You just have to do the steps in the right order every single time. Before you touch anything, diagnose and de-energize. Identify the breaker that feeds the device. Flip it off. Test at the outlet or switch with a non-contact voltage tester. No beep, no light. Then pull the device out of the box and test the exposed wires one more time before your fingers get anywhere near copper. Never trust that the switch is off means there's no power, because some switches sit downstream of a hot wire that stays live. Here's what the job actually looks like. You strip a clean ½ inch of copper with real wire strippers, not a utility knife that'll nick the wire. You land the black wire on the brass screw, the white wire on the silver screw, and the bare copper on the green ground. Screw terminals, not backstabs. On a GFCI, you watch for the line and load stamps on the back. Line is power in. Load feeds the downstream outlets. Mix those up, and the GFCI will not protect anything. On a three-way switch, the common screw is the darker one, and the two travelers go on the brass screws. Get those backwards, and one switch works, the other doesn't. You tuck wires in carefully, tighten the device in the box, cover plate on, and you plug in a $3 outlet tester to confirm the wiring is correct. The mistakes that double this job. Backstabbing instead of using the screws, which loosens over the years and causes heat. Mixing up line and load on a GFCI, reversing hot and neutral, and skipping the outlet tester at the end. One safety stop. If you open a box and see knob and tube wiring, or aluminum wiring, or a multi-wire branch circuit with two hots sharing a neutral, close it back up. That's specialist work. Same answer for anything inside the breaker panel itself. For the full step-by-step, the GFCI wiring, the three-way and four-way diagrams, and the 5 situations where you stop and call an electrician, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.